Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In case if you are new to this channel means please subscribe to our channel. Well, now in this video we are going to see three different things. One is how to remove the password, and then how to change your Windows 11 password, and how to reset your Windows 11 password. So these are the three different things we are going to see. So the first one is that how to remove your password. So in this thing you are actually know your password, but you want to remove your password. You can you want to be directly log in to your Windows account without entering the password. So this is the first one, and the second thing is that you want to change the password. So in this case you are actually know your PIN number. You are actually already set your Windows 11 PIN as well as the password, but you are login with your Windows 11 account using the PIN, but you are actually forgotten your password. So in that case you can able to log into your Windows 11 account, but how to change the Windows 11 password? So without entering your current password. So this is the second thing, without entering the current password, how to change your Windows 11 password. So after login to your Windows 11 account. The third method is that, so for example you are actually forgotten Windows 11 PIN and you are forgotten your Windows 11 password, and or else you don't set the Windows 11 PIN also means. So how to remove the Windows 11 password, or how to reset the Windows 11 password directly in the Windows 11 login page itself. So you can't able to log into your Windows 11 account, but how to reset the password and get back into your account without resetting or reinstalling the Windows 11 OS, so or formatting like that. So these are all the three things we are going to see in this video. Well, now let's see one by one. So the first one is that how to remove the password. So in this method you know the password, but how to remove the password, that is the one thing. So for that you have to go to the settings option. So just right click and go to the settings option, and there just to go to the option account section, and here is the option sign in option. Just click on that and then go to the password, and here you'll have a option. So here you will already set the password. Just click on the change. Now you have to enter the current password. So you know the password. So in the first method you know the password means, so you have to enter the current password, and after that, so here you want to remove the password. The first one you are going to see is that how to remove the password. So in case if you want to remove the password means, so don't enter anyone in the new password and confirm password or password hint like that. Just click on the next option, and that's it. Now your password has been removed. So now you no need to enter the password while you are logging into your account. So this is the method of removing your password. So in this case you will actually know your own password. And the next one is that so now you are going to change your password. So you will know the PIN number. Using the PIN number you are actually logged in into your account, but how to change your password? You are actually forgotten your password. So that is the second thing. So for this you can able to change your password without entering your current password using a command prompt. So for that, just right click or just click on the start menu and type CMD. So you have to open the command prompt in the administrator mode. Just right click and click on the run as administrator and click on the S option, and once the command prompt is opened, so just type net space user. So after that click on the enter option. Now you'll get all the list of administrator and other accounts. So now I am having only one account, that is the user. So you'll get a name here. So under the administrator you'll get a name here, user. So what is your user? So what is your administrator name? You have to type in that next command. So the next command is that so just hit the space net space user space. You have to type your administrator name. My administrator name is that user. So I have just type that. So what is the administrator name you have? You have to type that, and after that hit the space again and press the asterisk and hit the enter option. So now it will actually ask for a type a password for the user. So in this method you no need to enter the current password. So you can directly enter your own password, new password. So I am now entering the new password, and after that just click on the enter. So for security measure it will actually not shown. So just type it and that's it. And in the retype the password also, just type the same password and just click on the enter option. Now you'll see the command is completed successfully, like that. So this way you can able to change the password even if you not known the current password, but for that you have to go inside the Windows 11 account. So in case if you know your Windows 11 pin means, so you are actually set your pin and as well as a password means, so using your pin only you are regularly login means, so using this method you can able to change the password. And now the third method is that, so now you don't know the pin and you don't know what is the password you are actually set at. So in that case, how to reset the Windows 11 password? So you are actually stuck up in the Windows 11 login page. So how to reset that? So now we are going to see about that. So for that we have to do some of the methods. So I'll show you one by one. Well guys, now this is the sign in page of the Windows 11. So now I didn't know the password and as well as I didn't know the pin number also. So now how to reset your Windows 11 password and how to enter into your Windows 11 account without reinstalling your Windows 11 OS and having your account back with all the data. So for that, first of all we are going to use a method is called, so here is the option as you've seen. So this is the accessibility option and this is the internet option and this is the power off option. So as you've seen here, so now we are going to change this accessibility app. So this app will be called as a Utilman. We are going to change this accessibility application with the command prompt application. So once we get the command prompt application, we can able to change the password. So as we how we are already changed the password in the previous method, so while you are actually logging into the Windows 11 account, so we can able to change the password using the same method by just going to the command prompt. But when you are in the login page, you can't able to open the command prompt. So for that we are going to change this accessibility application into the command prompt application by going to the advanced settings option. So for that you have to reset your Windows 11 PC, so into the advanced settings. So that means a recovery mode. So to go into the recovery mode, so you have to press the shift key in your keyboard. So in your keyboard you have to press the shift key. By just press and hold the shift key, you have to click on the restart option. So while you are actually restarting the PC, so you have to press and hold the shift key as well. Until the restart will be happen, you have to hold the shift key. So then only you can able to go to the advanced setting option or recovery option, like that. So now I am actually restarted the PC to the advanced settings. So you have to press and hold the shift key while you are clicking on the restart option. So after restarting, so you'll get the advanced settings page. So that means a recovery mode. So now this is the advanced settings page of the Windows 11, that means a recovery mode, like that. So here you want to select the troubleshoot option, just click on that, and after that you will see option advanced. Here you will get a command prompt, just click on that. So once you get the command prompt, so now you want to do, so it is in the Xos. So you have to first of all press the C option, just press the C and hit the colon and hit the enter option. Now you'll go to the C, now you'll go to the C drive, and after that you have to just hit the space, just type CD space Windows, and after that just hit the enter. And now in the Windows page you have to just hit the space, type CD and hit the space, type system and 32, just hit the enter option. Now you will go to the Windows System 32 option. So here you want to enter the few commands. So we are already said that we are going to change the application utilities, that accessibility application, to the command prompt application. So that accessibility application named as a Utilman. So we are now going to change the Utilman application name. So the utilman.exe to the utilman1.exe, and after that we are going to change the command prompt application cmd.exe to the utilman.exe. So after changing this, now in your login page, whenever you are clicking on that accessibility option, so that that Utilman application, you will get the command prompt application. So after we get the command prompt application, we can easily able to change or reset the password easily. So this is the method. So for that, so to change that application name, so once you go to the Windows System 32 settings, so you want to type few commands. First you have to type ren, so ren is nothing but rename, and after that hit the space, and now you will just type utilman .exe and hit the space, and again type utilman 1.exe. we are changing the file name of the original source utilman application from utilman.exe to utilman1.exe. just hit the enter, so no other replies you will get. Just hit the enter, and after that you will go to the second page. Now you have to type the again ren space. Now you want to type cmd.exe and hit the space. Now utilman.exe. so this is the second command, and again hit the enter. So we are now actually changed, so the utilman, the original utilman application to the utilman 1, and we are actually renamed the command application, command prompt application to the utilman.exe. so whenever we are actually clicking the utilman, that accessibility option, we will get the command prompt application. So that is the basic thing, and after that just click on the this close option, and now click on the continue to exit and go to the Windows 11 login page. So wait for a few minutes, it will go to their Windows 11 login page. So now we are actually heading to the login page again. So I am now go to this page. So here is that accessibility option. So we are now actually changed this accessibility application with the command prompt application. So that is the thing. So once I am actually clicking this accessibility application, we will now get the command prompt application. So now I am going to click on this. So as you seen here, we'll get the command prompt. So that's it. Now we are going to change the password. So I didn't know what the password is that. So in this option, so first of all you have to type net space user. So this is the same thing we are already done in the previous method. So after that you will get all the list of user accounts you will get. So and after that, so for which account you need to change the password, you have to just need to enter that account name. So the second command will be net user, net space user, and after that hit the space, and here you want to type your administrator name. My administrator name is user, and after that hit the space. Now you want to type the asterisk, and after that hit the enter. Now it is actually asked for a type a password, so you have to type any one of the password, and in case if you don't want the password, means just simply click on the enter option. Again it is actually asked for the retype the password, again hit the enter, and that's it. So now we are actually resetted our password to the empty password. So now you don't need to enter any password. By just clicking on the login, you can directly go into your account. So and that's it. Now just close this command prompt, and now so click on the sign in option, and this is a pin, this is a password, and this is the pin. So we don't know the pin, but once I actually click on the password, so it will be directly go into your account. So this is how you can easily able to reset your Windows 11 password. In case you are forgotten, means you can easily able to go into your Windows 11 account easily. So in this way you can easily able to reset your Windows 11 password. And the one more thing is that now you can't able to access the command prompt. So whenever I'm typing the command, so after clicking this command prompt, so the command prompt will not be opened in your Windows 11 PC. So for that we have actually changed that utilman application, that accessibility application to the command prompt, and that command prompt application to the accessibility. So we have to again switch over that. So for that you have to again go to the advanced settings. So for that just right click the start menu, go to the settings option. So here also you can go to the advanced settings. So just click on the Windows update, and here is the advanced option. So after that here is the recovery, and here is the advanced startup. Just click on the restart now, and click on the restart now. It will actually goes to that recovery page, so advanced settings page. So I have given all the command list in the description, you can check out that. So it is a very important thing, you have to give the command correctly. In case if you are wrongly give the command, means then permanently you can't able to use the command prompt application and a utility man that application. So that it is actually slightly confusing only, but you have to use the commands in the command prompt correctly. So now once go to this option, click on the troubleshoot, click on the advanced option, and click on the command prompt. So now once you go to the command prompt, so first of all type C, and then here you want to type space cd space Windows and hit the enter, and after that again hit the space cd space system32 and hit the enter. Now you'll go to the navigation to the Windows System 32. Now you want to type the command ren space, and after we have actually renamed that file name. So we are first of all going to rename the utilman.exe to cmd.exe. Okay, this is the first command. Just hit the enter, and after that again hit the space type ren space utilman1.exe. So we have changed the utilman to the utilman1, so we are again changing back to utilman1 to utilman.exe, and hit the space utilman.exe, and that's so wait a minute, utilman1.exe. So I have given the commands in the description. So like what are the commands you have to do before the resetting your password, and what are the commands you want to do in the command prompt after resetting your password. So that you have to give the command prompt correctly. In case if you wrongly given means, so there might be some confusion, like you can't able to use the particular application like that. So after that just click on the hit the enter, and that's it. So now I'm just closing this and again going back to the Windows 11 page. So now I want to go to this login page. So once I click the accessibility option, now I can able to get the regular options like a narrator, on screen keyboard, like that. So these are all the options will be contained in that utility man application. So now the account has been logged in. So because we didn't set any password, so it will be directly logged in. So now we are just search for the command prompt. So just check whether the command prompt is working or not. So just click on the start menu. So it is actually hanging. So just type cmd, and after that just type command prompt. Yes, now the command prompt has been working. So in previous, after resetting your Windows 11 password, you can't change this, means you can't able to use the command prompt. So you have to change that application switchover again after resetting your password. So then only you can able to use the command prompt, and the command prompt will also after that only start works. So now this is the way you can easily able to change, remove or reset your Windows 11 password. So in case if you are lost your password or you forgot your Windows 11 password means, so this is the one of the way, and you have to always use this method genuinely for you only, and don't try to access other user accounts like that. So that is not a good thing. Well, now that's it for this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel means please subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching this video guys.